Are you ready, kids? Aye, aye. Aye, aye, loud and I can hear you. Aye, Hi there! Does it look like it's good to do an experiment today? Since today is a sunny day, how about we do an experiment about the reflection of light? In this experiment, we have no idea if it will be successful or not, but it's all part of research, so keep on watching.
But before we start our research, we just want to give you guys a brief information. What is reflection and how is it related to light or to our topic?
A reflection is when light bounces off an object. If the surface is smooth and shiny like glass, water or polished metal, the light will reflect at the same angle as it hit the surface. And its relationship with light is that there will be no reflection if there is no light.
So what are you waiting for? Let us begin this experiment and let's see what will happen.
The first experiment that we will do will concentrate on the impact of sunlight reflected off mirrors in a cup of water, specifically whether or not it will be able to heat it. The materials you will be needing are mirrors, a metal cup, any objects the mirrors can lean on. It could be a stone or a chair, and a liquid thermometer to measure the temperature.
With this experiment, the following questions will be addressed. First, will the water be heated by the reflected sunlight from the mirror? Second, is the reflected sunlight from the mirror hot enough to do so?
The first step is to fill the metal cup with water. Make sure that it will not overflow. Next, place the cup in a shaded place where there is still a source of light. Somewhere we will do this so that heat will only come from the reflected sunlight. Lean the mirror to any object you have. After 30 minutes, measure the temperature of the water. Make sure that you wrote the temperatures you've measured so you can easily do the last step, which is to compare all the temperatures you have measured.
The last experiment we will do is focus on observing an inflated balloon directly exposed to reflected sunlight from mirrors.
The materials you will need is at least 3 mirrors, 1 inflated balloon, and 1 member who is willing to hold the balloon for a few minutes and is not afraid of popping balloons. Unlike the first experiment, this experiment will not take much of your time. You just need to observe the balloon for 10 minutes if it will pop or not.
The first thing you need to do is to inflate 1 balloon. Next is have your chosen member to take this balloon and hold it for a few minutes.
While he or she is holding the balloon, the remaining members will take a mirror each and align the reflection of the sunlight to the balloon. Now, the last thing you will do is observe for 10 minutes or less. It depends if the balloon will pop or not.
We observed that the temperature of water that is exposed to the sun's refracted rays changes slightly over the course of 30 minutes. Additionally, we did not get the outcome of the balloon popping that we had anticipated. Due to the reduced amount of energy from the refracted rays, the balloon didn't burst. The only change to the balloon was that its skin became warm. As you can see, the incident rays contain a heated energy, but after being refracted by the mirror, some of that energy will be absorbed by the mirror, resulting in a reduced amount of energy in the refracted rays.